In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format phone numbers in Google Sheets. If your sheet is full of phone numbers that all look different, a custom number format can make them clean and consistent without changing the underlying data. Let's walk through it together so you can standardize the way phone numbers display across your spreadsheet. First, open your Google Sheet so you can see the column that contains the phone numbers. Click the column letter at the top to highlight the entire column. Selecting the whole column ensures any new numbers you add later will automatically pick up the same format. Now, look up to the menu bar and click Format. From the drop-down, choose Number. This is where Google Sheets keeps all the default and custom formats for displaying values. At the bottom of that menu, click Custom Number Format. A panel will open where you can define exactly how those digits should appear. In the Custom Format field, type the pattern you want to use. For a common US style layout, enter Babit. The number signs act as placeholders for digits in your cells, and the parentheses, spaces, and dashes are displayed exactly as you type them. If you work with country codes, you might use something like 8 or depending on the length you need. As a tip, the zero placeholder forces a digit to display, including leading zeros, while now it shows a digit only if it exists. That means if your numbers begin with a 0 and it matters, use zeros in that position to keep the 0 visible. When you're happy with the pattern, click Apply. Instantly, the selected column will update to show the new display format. For example, a value like 123456789 will appear as 123456789, even though the cell still contains the raw number 123456789 underneath. That's the benefit of formatting. It changes how the data looks, not the data itself. If nothing seems to change after you apply the format, it usually means the entries are stored as text or include characters like plus signs, spaces, or dashes that prevent Sheets from treating them as numbers. Cleaning those cells to contain only digits, or deciding to keep them as text with a consistent type pattern can help. Also, if your list has mixed lengths from different countries, a single format may not fit all numbers. So consider applying formats by region or keeping country codes in a separate column. That's it. With a few clicks and the right pattern, your phone numbers will look neat, consistent, and professional.